So you want to know how to start a dirt bike, but you don't know how. Well, I'll show you in these step-by-step instructions. So first, we roll the dirt bike to the center of the garage. And then you go over to the shelf and grab the gas can. Unscrew the gas cap. And place it somewhere where it won't get dirty. Grab the gas can and fill the bike up till full. Put the gas can back on the shelf. Grab the gas cap and put it back on the bike. So now that we have the garage door open, we're going to roll the dirt bike outside. And then we're going to flip the kill switch to the on position. Pull out the choke knob and push the yellow button located on the handlebars. Give it a little bit of gas. And once it's running smoothly, push the choke knob in. Well, you didn't know how to start a dirt bike before, and now you do.
Have a good time.